What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this short video I'll be showing you how to create stunning Canva templates. And the strategy is actually very simple. All you're going to do is just follow along with what I'll be showing you, which is basically taking an existing professional template and filling it in with whatever relevant photos that you're looking to make the template on. And this will be a great way for you to basically start from being a beginner to basically looking like a professional designer, because Canva really provides you with a lot of foundational content that you can use and then just kind of substitute the images and text to basically make it your own image and make it really beautiful. Now the example that I'm going to be using is making a blank Pinterest template, because I mainly use Canva for creating Pinterest pins, but you can actually use it to create more wider looking pins or for whatever it is that you're creating, whether it be a report, some kind of PowerPoint design, maybe Pinterest post, maybe some kind of thumbnail for YouTube, whatever the case is. But I want to keep it simple because sometimes when we have way too many choices when it comes to certain things, we tend to be a little confused about it. So let's avoid that and jump right into it. So I am in Canva right now, and all I'm going to do is click on create a design. After I click on create a design, I'm going to basically type in Pinterest pin. So let me just do that. And now it's going to load a couple of options. I'm going to choose the second one, which is the one that I always use, and I will have a blank template load up. Now, what you're going to want to do is just click on the area in the gray area here, and this will remove whatever this was just a moment ago, and you're going to click on design on the top left. Now in this area, you can type in any of these options that are over here or anything that you want, but I recommend starting with the word collage. Now after you type in the word collage, you're going to be loaded up with a bunch of different templates here. Honestly, you can go with however many that you want. I recommend just starting with one and copying what I'm doing right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look through these templates to see which one I find interesting. And again, the content of these templates doesn't matter. All I'm looking at is what looks really, really good for me. So let's just say I like this one right here. It's simple, there's two images, there's nice text. All you're going to do is just left click on your mouse button, and that's going to put that template into the blank space that it was in before. Now we have a thing to work with. Now depending on what kind of a template you're trying to make, whether it be based on a subject like nature or camping or some kind of educational subject, whatever the subject is, now you're going to want to find photos that relate to that to insert instead of the images that you have over here, which I assume are some desserts or ice cream or something like that. So in order to do that, you're just going to scroll down on the left over here where it says photos, and you're just going to type in something like, let's say I'm creating a Pinterest pin on the Grand Canyon. So I'll type in Grand Canyon, hit enter, and you'll notice that I have different images that pop up. And now what I'm going to want to do is click and hold my left mouse button and move it. And this basically drags that image to wherever I want it to be. So I can move it here, I can move it here. I will drag it to the very top, and now it replaces it. And now I'm going to try to take a second photo, which is different from this one, and like this one right here, and do the same thing. So now I have two images that are over here, but now what happens is there's the title, and this is the next thing that I'm going to want to change. Now you can also use this button over here to basically make it larger or smaller, because sometimes you'll have small text and you're going to want to increase the size of it in order to make it look better. And so what I'm going to do over here is I'm just going to change, double click and just change whatever text is over here. So let's say I'm doing a Pinterest pin on the top 10 places to visit in Grand Canyon, or just let's do it this way, the Grand Canyon. And then I'll just make the name of my website over here. I can also erase this if I wanted to by just right clicking over here and just clicking on this delete button. Sometimes you won't want to use all the text that's available to you, but just like that, I created a beautiful looking pin. I would argue that this is really, really nice. And basically what you can do if you want to create more examples of it is you just click on add page, you go back to where it says design, and you can click on the back button because we were in the collage and we chose that previous one, and you will see more options that you can now upload. Again, you only need to click once. So I can upload this one, update the images however I want, update put in that one, do it again, add a new page, and then I can have like 5, 10 different templates that I can work with. And let me actually give you a quick example of what some of my personal templates look like. So right here are templates that I actually use for my Pinterest page, and I have some preloaded ones and designs that you can see over here, and I just replace them with these beautiful images, and I just have a bunch of variety of content that I can keep going with. So, you know, let's say that I upload this one today, I'll upload a different image here, change the text to whatever the image is contextual to, and just keep going and going and going, and that's how I create beautiful templates and designs in general. You can totally do this with pretty much any template that you want in Pinterest, in Canva. And all you do if you want to go back is you click on the three buttons over here, and then you click on Canva, and that'll take you back home, and then you can create a new design, and you can have different designs over here. I'll click on X, you can have different options like a YouTube thumbnail, a logo, a mobile video, resume if you want, YouTube shorts. You just basically can repeat the same exact method that I shared with you in this video for whatever purposes you're looking to use Canva for. For me personally, I use it to run my online business, or at least a part of it, which is in this case Pinterest. And I'll just finish up the video by saying that if you are new to my channel, I basically teach people how to make money online, start and run an online business, because I do this for a living. Here's some of my stats in this business, and with regards to Pinterest, some of the profits that you see that over here on the right actually come from using this strategy that I shared with you of creating beautiful Pinterest pins in Canva. And so that's what I'm going to be finishing up the video on. If you have any questions about this, let me know. But I highly encourage you, especially if you're brand new to this, to follow along with what I was sharing with you in this video, so you can get more of a feel and comfort when it comes to creating beautiful Canva templates. And so thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care.